let's do this.
Day one of DGR podcast. Finally.
And it feels like the right thing to talk about right now is our name, The Garden Room.
Yeah.
And how did we even come up with it? We started out right after COVID. It felt like everyone was giving too much emphasis on their indoors. Bedroom, the living room, dining room, anything with the word room in it was given too much importance. Incoming, The Garden Room. We felt that if we said the same thing, like if we added the word room to the outdoor space, the garden space, then that would become an important part of the home as well.
And it sews it together.
Yeah, exactly. And fairly straightforward then, The Garden Room.
Yeah,
huh?
I think it's fairly straightforward. It's quite self-explanatory, so it's easy for people to relate to. The whole idea behind the garden room, we're trying to build your living area outdoors so that it's more connected to nature with all the equal importance and luxuries of your indoor space. Your comfort, design, we bring everything outside your home.
Good thing we wrote all of this down 2 years ago so that we remember it now. So again, I think I would then build on it a little bit more. So okay, the name was very clear, but then we needed a vision, an inspiration. So I think I would say our lifestyle was a vision for us. I would say. What do you
Plus,
think?
I think I think all four of us have always been more outdoor centric. सारे पार्टी के सीन छत पे होने हैं, बाहर नहीं जाना है, सब कुछ छत पे ही करना है, bonfire घर पे करनी है. So I think that was the main thing. How this outdoor thing was, I would say, seeded in the four of us.
Yeah.
So I think the garden room was the best thing that we guys started, and just about COVID ended, people wanting to shift outdoors, I think it was the best time to start garden room at that point of time.
But then I have a question. Why did we go for this niche? Why did you choose this niche?
I think it was a well-defined gap in the market that people didn't really pay attention to.
That's true.
In fact, when we were building my home, all the architectural meetings that I went to, we were deciding, but there was never a brand for outdoor specifically. We wanted something, an Indian homegrown brand.
We wanted the
garden room, doing customized outdoor furniture and making your outdoor areas look aesthetic the way you want it.
So basically, we wanted to make outdoor furniture for our house. So we came up with the brand. Then let's do this.
Yeah.
Another way of putting it.
Yeah.
Because, at the end of the day, people realize that the most amount of time you'll ever spend will be at home, and that's where you want to be with your family and your loved ones.
Yeah, and create that cocoon basically.
Yeah.
So it's your
personal
whole
cocoon at home.
Yeah.
oasis and your safe space.
Yeah, definitely. I think that makes a lot of sense. Yeah. COVID was kind to us. Yes.
COVID was kind to us.
Yeah.
So I've always had an eye for design and detail. And
Shiva's eye for design and detail was Majrubai Gadhe Pe Ghoda wala situation. Please let me talk about design.
I give you all the credit for design. You are our imported designer.
Yeah. Thank you.
He also looks like a designer.
Yeah, I actually decided to wear this.
Tell by the socks he's wearing.
Yeah, guys.
दोनों अलग
Designer socks. Yeah, that's the style. With design, we've been very particular in terms of quality and in terms of design pieces that we're making.
Yeah.
Quality, I think, one of the biggest reasons why we built this company was to basically become our own customer itself. Like, we need to make something we would love. Like, of course, all of us love good furniture. So that was the aim. So that's why I feel that we give a lot of importance to that eye for detail.
Which takes the most amount of time.
That most amount of time also, actually.
I think outdoor furniture अभी तक इस तक की कोने में पड़ा है, धूल मिट्टी खा रहा है. Everybody who used to come into your house, you used to be, ये देखिए मैंने इटली से import करके सोफा मंगवाया है, ये मैंने यहाँ से करवाया है. I think what we wanted to create was that awe factor of outdoor furniture. That's where the garden room becomes like the name for outdoor furniture. Like somebody, if I want outdoor furniture, so the first thing that comes to my mind should be the garden room. Like generally, people have this thing that if you want to buy fabric, you go to D-Decor, you go to other places. So if you want outdoor furniture, that's the brand that you know that it's the garden room that you have to go to. I think that's what we have
Like
to
we
do.
want to
ये
become a
D-Decor की marketing नहीं थी, उनका नाम लेना, it was just an example.
पगले रुलाएगा क्या? Oscar goes to you.
We've also tried and tested our own furniture.
Yeah, we have.
All of our pieces, we use it for our parties.
Yeah.
We use it in our home.
Exactly.
DGR furniture is fully house party proof.
Yeah, that is true.
In fact, you remember the video we made where I poured a red wine on the white fabric?
Oh yeah. Oh my god.
It was a little nerve-wracking, but it turned out beautifully.
Yeah, and it was inspired by real life incidents. incidences.
Exactly.
Real life Shrivat's incident. Plus I think that एक piece जो मतलब बनाना है ना कि that somebody comes into your house and you're like ये हमने garden room से किया. Look at the outdoor furniture that we've got.
Yeah.
That is
A
what
talking point.
A talking point, a statement piece is
Yeah.
what we're trying to achieve with outdoor.
So can you
furniture.
call this as a vision also? What would be the vision for you guys? What do you think is the vision?
I think the vision for us is that we are basically building whatever the customer wants in the way that they perceive it, and we make their dream into reality by bringing their outdoor space and indoor space and making it one. That's kind of like the vision and
You basically create a harmony.
one thing which we really focus on is customer, because each and every piece that we make is tailor made. It's exactly what they visualize and we try to create
We're
it.
becoming a part of their dream.
Their dream.
Yeah.
And that's what I love the most, because
कार बना रहा है कोई आदमी तो बड़ी शौक से बना रहा है यार.
Yeah.
With a lot of love and affection, yes, for sure.
Exactly.
And touch wood, all our clients have been quite happy with all of our stuff, and we get some beautiful remarks. I think that's the most that's a sense of achievement you get from that. It's just unparalleled.